Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm simply going to explain to us uh, the volatility 51 index on daily time frame, how I have placed a successful trade on this particular index. Okay, so that fifth money I log into the chart and I found the setup on the higher time frame, the daily time frame. Okay, so you guys know what I normally use. I make use of my support and resistance level. These are the things I consider first when I enter the market. So I need to look into the potential area in the market where the market we get to rather, and reverse from that point or break the point. Okay, so the resistance level in this chart was very obvious, and as you can see currently it is still what it is still obvious there. So I met the market at this level. Okay, so I met the market at this level here. Okay, so this has formed already, this has formed already, and this has formed already. Okay, even including this has formed already. So I met the market throwing up at this point. Yeah, okay, so I have to mark this level out. Okay, this level is a very potential area. Market has respected that level so many times. This is daily time frame, so you if you take your time to look at it properly, you will see that the market respected that level around August. Okay, I think that is the first time the market respected that level. Then it respected the level again around September, respected the level again around, I think, October, respected the level around November, and it's respecting the level. It respected the level around November, yeah, towards the ending of November. Okay, till this moment. All right, so you can see that that level is a strong level in the market. Now if you watch the video, which my last video before this particular video, you will notice I said something that the when you have a setup on higher time frame, it really make more sense, and it's kind of a reliable setup where than when you get a setup on what such setup on what on smaller time frame. Okay, so and I remember also I talk about making use of four different time frames also, which includes the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame, the 1 hour time frame, and the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so those are the time frame that I normally use when about on. So you can see currently here that after I mark that level, I need to wait patiently for the market. Okay, I need to wait patiently for the market, and the market gave me this particular bullish candle, this momentum bullish candle here. It gave me that, then bounced into this level, and the market gave me a clean bearish pin bar here. Okay, so I entered the market after the close of this particular candlesticks here, this bearish candlesticks here, and that is the formation of what, that is the information of what, of evening star. So after this candlestick have closed, this one started forming. So during the forming of this particular candlestick, okay, during the forming, after opening at this point, start trying to move back here, I have to enter the trade. Okay, why this particular candlestick was still forming, this particular one, I entered the market while it was still forming. So as the market is pushing up with this candlestick trying to trend up, I have to enter. Now the reason why I entered at that candlestick or at that level is that I have this in mind that, okay, if the market can pull back to this level and I enter, then my SL will be a bit smaller. Okay, my SL will be a bit smaller than what, than when I enter at a level here, and that is the mindset, that is what I have in mind that makes me want to enter the trade here. Okay, so I enter this trade, I did not place my SL. Now why I did not place my SL is that if I'm going to place my SL in this trade, okay, then my SL is going to be somewhere around there. Now, that is not even enough area to place my SL. Now, I did not place my SL because I totally see that, okay, I am not getting the level where I need to place it. Okay, so even though I want to place it, will be somewhere around there, but that is not a very good area for me to place it, because the truth is that the market can still what trend up to that level before pulling back. Example is what we have here. You can see somebody that have entered a trade based on this first resistance level and second resistance level. The person will leave this trade in loss. Meanwhile, the market is still going down. Okay, because you can see our market trend very high to its SL. At least if you enter this particular trade, okay, even at this point, your SL will not be more than this level. Let's be honest with each other. Okay, so your SL will not be more than this level, to be honest with you, because you are placing SL based on this, and you will notice that your SL is what is placed at the right place enough, because here is going to be your entry. Let's assume that you entered at this middle, so that middle there is going to be your entry. Okay, so this middle here is going to be your entry, or let's even say this middle here is going to be your entry, and your SL is going to be here. Okay, so it's a very nice place if you place your SL at this point. But look at what the market has done here. By what? By hitting that SL, and after that start going in our direction. Okay, so with this mindset, I also see that, okay, then my SL should be above this particular bearish pin bar here. Okay, this particular bearish pin bar here, my SL should be above it. So when I try to place my SL, I notice that, okay, I'm not getting the hand or even place above it, and what I need to do is I did not place my SL. I did not place my SL at all because of this mindset. Now, and I'm very happy that I did not place my SL, because let's assume I placed my SL, maybe market could have eaten the SL, because if I'm going to place my SL at this point, who knows if market is going to even trend more than this and touch here. Okay, and I was patient enough. I was moved by what is happening in the market, because this is daily time frame. I need to be honest with you. Okay, it takes only a patient trader to hold this type of trade. Okay, a patient trader to hold, say the market, you enter the trade at this particular point, and the market have to move to that point, that is running in loss for like 3 good days. Yes, the trade run in loss for like what, for like through 3 good days, and what I hold the trade. That is why I quickly close some of my position at this level. Yeah, I closed some of my position. I did not enter one position alone. Okay, I entered like up to 5 positions. So I quickly closed that at this level. Immediately the market start running in profit. Okay, I closed at this level, and I have to hold one because I was looking forward for this level here. Okay, I was looking forward for this level, here, and was also this trend line. So right now I am good to close this trade, and possible I may look forward for a buying opportunity at this point. Are you guys with me? Now I may look forward for a buying opportunity at this point. So levels like this are what, when you find the levels like this on the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, the monthly time frame, the 4 hours time frame, okay, you have to what, hope and look forward for a opportunity at this level, because whenever market react at this level, they are what, they are very very strong. There are levels where market normally find it very difficult to break. Levels like this, there are levels where market find it difficult to break, especially when they form on the higher time frame. Okay, so how do I make this successful? What really makes this trade a successful one? Now, number one thing is that I have a setup, a good setup. One, okay, and the good setup is the resistance level, the obvious resistance level we are looking at at this market currently, okay, the obvious resistance level, that is what really makes it that is what makes it look nice to me in the first place. Then secondly, I got a signal, okay, the signal of the reversal pattern, that is the bearish reversal pattern, which is the evening star. This consists of this bullish candlestick, this pin bar here, bearish pin bar, and followed by this bullish bearish candlesticks here, okay, which makes it what evening star for me. And that is a signal, what is sign, is a sign that what the market is going to what pulling down from that level. Now having this type of what is it called, reversal pattern on a very clear resistance level, where market has respected for like 4 good times, what it gives me what this courage to still hold the trade. Okay, so I entered the market, okay, at this point here. Why this candlestick is still forming, not I'm not after this candlestick that's closed, why the candlestick was still forming, I entered the trade, and the market still have to move up to this level. Now after I got this particular pin bar here, okay, now you must understand that, or let me just say the truth here, that when the market was doing all this, I was kind of scared. Okay, I was kind of scared because I see that I am in what I was in a big loss, was kind of scared of what the market is going to do. But something told me that, okay, wait for that candlestick to close. Okay, now I waited for that candlestick. Two things came to my mind, okay, like if the candlestick is going to close bullishly outside that zone, bullishly outside that zone, I am going to close the trade. Okay, and another thing that came to my mind is that if the market is going to close the inside bearishly, okay, I am going to what leave the trade. Okay, so that was another thing that helped me to hold the trade. So at the end of the day, I said that the candlestick closed bearishly, and also what a sign of what of rejection. Okay, so it gives me that mind to hold it there until what on the market start driving down to this point. Okay, so look at what makes me to hold the trade. Number one is that I have a fine what a setup. Okay, a fine setup. Number two is that I have a signal, which is the reversal pattern, the evening star. Okay, now number three is that what I try so much to wait for that candlestick to close, and I make that decision that if it closes outside, I am closing my trade in loss, and if it closes inside, I am holding my trade. And at the end of the day, I notice that the market closed inside, and I keep holding. So let's put all this in one language, and we can call it patient. I was very patient. So most of the trades can be a winning trade for us if we apply what patient to it. If we neglect the emotion, we don't allow our own emotion to lead us out of the way. So you must be patient. I was patient enough, and that is why I win the trade. Okay, guys. So I have closed the trade. You will notice that I have closed the trade. Yeah, closed the trade because the market is kind of reversing, and not just because of that, the market is another a potential area where we can experience buying. Okay, where we can expect buyers to come into the market, and that's why I've closed at the point. Okay, so if I'm going to be trading this particular area, I'm going to make a video concerning that, and I will show us later in my next video or in one of my videos. So guys, that is what I really want to show us here. Okay, that's what I want to show us on this particular trade. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, okay guys, please, I want you to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'll be bringing more topics like this where you can see how I trade, my setup, how I analyze, and so on like that. Okay, you can learn from it. You can learn from it, and I believe you have learned one or two things from this analysis right now. Okay, so if you want to get more content like that, please, I want you to subscribe with the YouTube channel. You can share with your friends that are forex trader. Okay, then you can turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I dropped it. Like my last video before this video, it was a setup, okay, on volatility 51s. It was a setup which is not yet taking place. So if you've turned on your notification bell immediately I post the video, it's something you can look into and go to chat and expect such the setup to come up, okay, and you can trade it. Okay, so make sure you turn on the notification bell and make sure you like my video. If you like the way I make this video, you just smash the like button. Okay, please, if you don't like it, you can just let it be. Don't like and don't dislike my video. Okay, so if you won't discourage others from watching it. All right, so please do subscribe again, turn on the notification bell, like my video, share my video. All right, so see you in my next video. All right, so bye guys.